I'm Bill Hodson. We have a company, my brother-in-law and I, called CB6 Customs. Originally, we started out doing custom motorcycles, some hot rod cars. We just kind of faded away from those and then picked up a new kind of line and inspiration of doing tables, furniture, housewares, home furnishings, things like that. With a creative twist, we don't ever try to make the same thing twice. Everything that we do is pretty much one-off. We like to do a lot of modern industrial. We call our look industrial elegant. And we started that, and then we kicked into one of our customers about a year ago came to us with an idea on some of the smokeless, ashless stoves and creating a system where it would combine all the accessories that most people are purchasing and put it into one package. And the great thing about our business model is we just build as many as we can build, and we put your name on the order. We don't ask for a deposit, or we don't take any money up front, because we have a waiting list of customers. So if you decide I'm going to go another direction, we just move on to the next name on the list and send them that same stove. It really does dominate the market and what all the other accessory providers are doing, because we take 3 or 4 different things and make it into one, and it really turns this big can of ash into a nice piece of furniture for you to enjoy in your patio. And then we do some passion projects. Right now we're working on a restoration of a 1941 Oldsmobile coupe dash. It's going to be a wall hanger in a bar. We do a lot of bar stuff, signage, clocks, just about anything that involves steel and lots of mistakes. That's what we do.